Here is how to generate UPI payment links on BharatPe. Fast and easy. First, open the BharatPe app and log into your account. On the home screen, tap on the QR and payment links section. Now tap Create Payment Link. Now enter the amount you want to request, and you can also add a short note or reason for the payment, like coffee, freelance work, or rent. Once you fill in the details, tap Generate Link. BharatPe will instantly create a UPI payment link. You can now copy the link or tap Share to send it directly via WhatsApp, SMS, email, or any app. When the user opens the link, it will auto-fill the amount and let them pay directly through their UPI app. You'll get a notification once the payment is complete, and the amounts will reflect in your BharatPe wallet or linked bank account. And that's how you generate UPI links on BharatPe. Simple, secure, and perfect for freelancers, shop owners, and service providers. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.